and prays Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha, and Fajr there. To Arafat. By sunrise of the 9th day of the Hajj, the pilgrim moves to Arafah. Spending his time in making dhikr and dua. To Muzdalifah. When the sun sets, the pilgrim goes to Muzdalifah and stays overnight in it. Back to Mina. Before the sun rises, he goes to Mina where he stones Jamarat al-Aqaba, the sacrifice. On the 10th day of the Hijjah, the pilgrim slaughters his sacrificial animal and then shaves his head or cuts his hair. Now everything is permissible except having intercourse with one's wife. Back to Mecca. Then the pilgrim goes back to Mecca and does tawaf and sa'i for Hajj. After tawaf and sa'i, the pilgrim goes to Mina and stones the 3 Jamarat during those 2 days. Then he exits Ihram completely. Farewell Tawaf. Upon leaving, one should not move out of Mecca until he has performed the farewell Tawaf. visiting the Prophet's Mosque. It is highly recommended to visit the Prophet's Mosque in Medina.